President Chappelle and Board of Directors. EBS Consulting has recently completed a report for Avalon Neighborhood Association, which revealed that the neighborhood was having littering issues. This has a negative effect on the area's value and provides an uninviting environment for the residents as well as visitors. This proposal was prepared to give suggestions how the neighborhood association can improve the community's value and the quality of life to make the area the final destination for families. First of all, it is important to understand that littering is a more serious problem than most of the people think. Aesthetics is only one aspect of this issue. Studies show that once litter is on the ground, it attracts more litter. By contrast, a clean community can discourage littering, which, of course, improves appearance and the quality of life. The other, even more important effect is environmental. Trash can contain diseases or start fires. Chemicals can seep into groundwater and contaminate the soil or affect the water quality. Litter can also clog stormwater drains. On the other hand, it takes years, if ever, for the trash to decompose if it was left scattered around. Let me talk about the economic effects as well. One of the most critical factors that determine a community's potential for success, and one that is often overlooked, is the appearance of the neighborhood. Visitors immediately make a judgment about the community based on their first impression. It means that littering affects the property prices as well. Houses in littered neighborhoods sell for less than those in a tidy community. Cleaner communities have a better chance of attracting new residents and businesses. Moreover, much of the trash thrown away on the streets could have been recycled, thus it is a last resource. Also, it costs the local, state, and federal governments millions of dollars, $11.5 billion each year in the United States, to pick up litter, reverse the effects, and prevent littering. The monetary cost of these efforts could be used for other projects developing communities. EBS Consulting is proposing the initiation of the Keep Avalon Neighborhood Program with the following two goals. The first one is to involve the community members and organize cleanup days. It not only helps to keep the neighborhood clean, but also brings the community members together and strengthens the sense of responsibility. The neighborhood association could provide rubber gloves, trash bags, water for the participants, also offer small prizes to encourage the younger generations to participate. For recruiting volunteers and advertising the events, flyers could be printed and posted around the neighborhood. The other, even more important goal is to educate the residents, because picking up the trash over and over does not restrain people from littering. You have to make people realize that the consequences of littering. EBS Consulting suggests that the community leaders contact the principals of the 3 schools that are assigned to the area to introduce the Keep Avalon Beautiful program and discuss the possibilities of cooperating. The City of Albuquerque's Solid Waste Management Department can also provide help, since they already have a similar initiation dedicated to community education on all solid waste management issues and litter control. Creating a website would also be a good solution for both advertising the events and educating the community members. The proposed project should not be costly. The expenses are minimal, and it requires very little effort from each community member. However, the benefits could be significant. Implementing and maintaining this beautification program could increase instantly the neighborhoods as well as the individual property's value and the quality of life for the community members. Maintaining the program requires only minimal monetary effort. The table shows the budget for a year, calculating with 4 cleanup events and 50 participants each time. The cost is less than $150 a year and should be less as community members learn to keep the neighborhood clean. The maintenance of the website, which is very easy and could be done by one of the community members, shouldn't cost anything. It is important to emphasize that litter is the result of individual behavior. Littering or being careless in the handling of waste is a personal choice. Every community member has a role to play in the prevention of litter. It takes just one person to positively impact the behavior of others in our community, and you all together can make and keep Avalon beautiful. Thank you.